Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings. Now find and select home screen and lock screen and mark wallpaper and style at the top of the list. And now click on Change Wallpaper and select the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. As you can see, you can choose one from static wallpapers, live wallpapers. Then you can use your own photos or recently used. So let me choose something from static wallpapers, for example this one. Now you can take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen. And if you want to apply, just mark apply and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen or both of them. I want to mark third option and that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.